The Klaus Xerion 3800 and the Genshem 582 form a powerful partnership in wood chipping operations. The Xerion 3800, a high-horsepower tractor, provides the necessary power to drive the Genshem 582, a large-scale mobile wood chipper. The Xerion 3800's engine transmits power to the chipper through the tractor's PTO shaft, enabling the chipper's rotor and feed system to operate. The tractor's high ground clearance and maneuverability allow it to easily transport logs and other woody material to the chipper's infeed. Its strong hydraulics can assist in feeding material into the chipper. The Genshem 582, powered by the Xerion 3800, efficiently chips wood into various sizes, depending on the desired end use. The chipper's robust design and powerful rotor can handle a wide range of materials, from small branches to large logs. The chipped material can be discharged directly into waiting trucks or trailers for transport. The Bandit 1890 XP is a powerful brush chipper designed for handling large-scale tree and brush removal projects. It's equipped with a 180 horsepower engine, providing the power needed to efficiently chip through tough materials. The chipper's hydraulic feed system uses rollers to pull material into the machine, ensuring consistent and efficient operation. The 1890 XP features a large capacity hopper, allowing for the processing of multiple branches and large materials, minimizing downtime. The patented power slot prevents clogging, even when dealing with dense or difficult materials. The chipper is built with durable components to withstand demanding jobs. Its combination of power, efficiency, and durability makes it a popular choice for professionals in the tree care and landscaping industries. The DFR 4-1000s from ASILVA is a drum chipper designed for efficient wood chipping operations. It features a robust drum equipped with cutting knives that shred wood material into smaller chips. The drum's rotation speed and the sharpness of the knives determine the size and quality of the chips produced. The chipper typically includes a feeding system to guide wood material into the drum. This system can vary depending on the specific model, but it often involves infeed rollers or conveyors to ensure a steady and controlled flow of material into the chipping chamber. The chipped wood is then discharged from the chipper through a discharge chute or conveyor. The size and shape of the chips can be adjusted by changing the drum's speed, knife configuration, and the size of the material fed into the chipper. The DFR 4-1000s is commonly used in various applications, including forestry, biomass production, and wood recycling. Its ability to efficiently process a wide range of wood materials makes it a valuable tool for industries that rely on wood chips for various purposes, such as fuel, animal bedding, or mulch. The Schneckenhacker ZSH30Z2 FBX prototype from EEWBW is a wood chipper designed for efficient processing of various wood materials. It incorporates a powerful screw conveyor that feeds wood material into the chipping chamber, ensuring a steady and controlled flow. The chipping chamber houses the cutting mechanism, often involving rotating knives or drums, which shred the wood into smaller chips. Many wood chippers, including some Schneckenhacker models, utilize a counter blade system for more effective cutting and smaller, more uniform chips. The chipped wood is then discharged from the machine through a conveyor or chute. The prototype designation signifies that this model may incorporate experimental features or design elements still under development or testing. The Schneckenhacker ZSH30Z2 FBX prototype, like other wood chippers, can be used in various applications, including forestry, biomass production, landscaping, and wood recycling. The AlexT HD810 is a powerful whole tree chipper designed for efficient processing of large volumes of woody material. It can handle a wide range of materials, including whole trees, large diameter logs, and branches. The HD810 is typically equipped with a high horsepower engine to drive the chipping mechanism and handle demanding tasks. The chipper features a large and robust chipping chamber designed to accommodate large diameter material. This chamber houses a powerful rotor equipped with cutting knives that shred the wood into smaller chips. The HD810 incorporates a powerful feeding system, often utilizing hydraulically driven rollers or chains, to efficiently pull material into the chipping chamber. This system ensures consistent and controlled feeding, even with challenging materials. The chipped wood is discharged from the chipper through a conveyor or chute, ready for further processing or transport. The AlexT HD810 is widely used in various applications, including forestry, biomass production, and land clearing. Its combination of power, robust construction, and efficient feeding system makes it a popular choice for professionals in the forestry and biomass industries. The Morbark Model 30RXL is a powerful whole tree chipper designed for large-scale forestry and land clearing operations. It features a robust 83-inch diameter chipper disc with a thickness of 5 inches, capable of handling large diameter logs and branches. The chipper utilizes a powerful multi-wheel feed system to efficiently pull material into the chipping chamber. This system ensures consistent and controlled feeding, even with challenging materials. The chipped wood is then discharged through a conveyor or chute, ready for further processing or transport. The Model 30RXL is equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system to handle demanding tasks. It is often used in commercial forestry operations, biomass production, and land clearing projects.